Riu hatari ngaja arutwo meguthie na mbere guikara micii nginyagia mweri wa kenda riria thukuru citanyitwo gugacokereria. Akiheana ndumiriri kuri bururi, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni athite ministry ya githomo nyitanirine na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kwarira mitaratara mikinyaniru mbere ya thukuru gucokereria.
Following stakeholders consultations in the education sector, the Ministry of Education, jointly with the Ministry of Health, issue and publicize guidelines on a gradual and progressive return to normalcy in the education sector by the third term, that is, from the 1st of September 2020. Further, that the Ministry of Education shall announce the new school calendar by the middle of August.
No ona mbere ya itua riri, miario ya minista wa githomo George Magoha mahinda kwa mahinda ikoretwo ikionania murugamo murumu wa ati thukuru itigucokagereria ica ikuhi cia tera kuona namba ya arwaru a murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikiongerereka o gwakia.
All over the world that nobody has opened any school when the pandemic is still spiking. But you have also seen in places like South Korea or Israel, where everything was done correctly and people rushed to open and they have closed.
Tumeconsult hata na wazazi, tumeconsult na walimu, tumeconsult na religious groups juu ya mashule. Na wote wamekubali ya kwamba haistahili tufungue mashule yetu sasa. Kwa sababu tukiyafungua, hiyo ni kama kufungulia virusi vianze kusambaa zaidi ya vile ambavyo inaendelea kwa wakati huu.
Ona kuhanorogwo thutha wa kwamukira ripoti ya mendekithia kuma kuri kamiti ya mwanya iria yathugundirwo niguo kuheana mawoni megie uria thukuru cingicokereria. Minista wa githomo augite ni megukorwo magithorima mendekithia maya niguo gutigirira gutire mwanya o wothe ungicungiriria ugwati angikorwo thukuru ni igucokereria.
We wish to note that the ministry will take seriously the recommendations of this committee and use them to set up further dialogue with all other stakeholders within and without government to ensure appropriate and decisive measures are put in place to facilitate the resumption of learning.
Gukinyeria gatagati ka mweri wa kanana, ministry ya githomo ni tanyitwo kuheana mwerekera uria ukuhuthika gutwarithia na mbere mathomo ari hamwe na uria arutwo a kirathi gia kanana na kirathi gia form 4 matanyitwo gwika kigeranio gia KCPE na KCSE. Ihinda-inĩ riu gutire mishamanio o yothe ya muingi ari hamwe na kanitha, irabu cia wendia wa njohi kana mishamanio ya kiuteti igukorwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria mweri ungi umwe.
Jameni, afadhali uwe hai ndio uweze kukula hiyo happy ambayo unatafuta, lakini ukiishia hiyo happy ulikula siku moja iwe ndio itakupeleka kwa kaburi, sioni haja. Wenzangu, tutulie, nafasi bado itakuja.
Ona kuhanorogwo kajo ya mwanya igikuruhania atongoria a ndini ni tanyitwo kumbwo niguo kuheana mendekithia mauria kanitha cibatie gukorwo igicokereria.
Within 7 days of today, the Ministries of Interior and Health will constitute an interfaith council to work out modalities and protocols of reopening of our places of worship.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Titagogena Wawadirwa.